All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. I decided to do another one just to see or do the one I did this afternoon over again because I wanted to do a different time. But yeah, welcome to another live stream. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. And yeah, so the market is looking rough. Crypto is looking rough. If you haven't taken a look at BTC, it's at 72,000. Crypto altcoins are even worse, down 10 to 15%. So it's just really rough in the crypto market right now. I think what the crypto market is waiting for is that clarity bill to get passed through. If not, if we don't get that clarity bill, we always have that innovation exemption that the SEC was talking about for just to level the playing field until we get some clarity with the crypto legislation. So, yeah, the crypto markets don't look too good. It's kind of a mixed feeling for equities today. Let me pull this up so we can see how it ended. So yeah, so the Nasdaq ended down, which makes sense because it's like tech. So and you could see Nvidia was down today. Tesla was down today. Intel, Dell was up. So it looks like overall the tech space, the Nasdaq is down. New York Stock Exchange, Dow Jones, and those indices ended up today. Coinbase obviously down. Coinbase is heavily tied to the price of BTC because they own a lot of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is down, then most likely Coinbase is going to be down. And Bitcoin is down significantly from 126, right? So that's about a $50,000 difference. Okay. So yeah, let's just get an overall market summary of this, and yeah, we can play some chess, which I already played earlier, but I'll play 2 or 3 games here. Okay, so U.S. stock market. So major indices finished mixed today. Nasdaq and S&P ended up lower as tech shares extended their sell-off. Dow Jones climbed up modestly. Tech drops drags. Big names like Nvidia, like we mentioned, Tesla declining alongside broader software weakness. They mentioned this Amgen standard out lagger in Dow driving that index gain. I wonder, what is Amgen? What is Amgen stock? All right, what is Amgen? What is Amgen? So the price of Amgen, which I still don't know what it is 366. So Amgen is a major U.S. biotech and pharmaceutical company that discovers, develops, and manufactures markets human therapeutic globally. Its products include treatments for osteoporosis, cholesterol reduction, blood disorders, cancer therapies, and other diseases. And it looks like since their stock price is 366, I'm assuming their market cap is just as high or a decent amount. Let's see. Amgen. So their market cap is 197 billion. So it looks like this company is pretty reputable when it comes to therapies and solution for these diseases because it has a pretty nice market cap. If you're familiar with biotech companies, they're usually like penny stocks and they're really volatile. They go up and down. But since this has a 197 million or billion-dollar market cap, that just suggests that it's created some therapies and some actual solutions to these diseases and medical conditions, right? Okay, so that's what Amgen is. Good to know a new stock. Okay, and then we went over the crypto sector, but it goes over it again. Bitcoin fell to 73,000, marking its weakest levels in months and deepening losses for the year. The slide has reinforced correlations between bio and tech software equities as a sign of growth and risk asset linkage. Yeah, Bitcoin, altcoins, tech stocks, these are all risk on assets. And currently, right now, there's no appetite for risk on because there's not a bunch of liquidity in the market. We get liquidity once interest rates go down and people are able to borrow more and be able to put more money into the market. Okay. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I mean, the highlight of the day is pretty much crypto's down significantly. I mean, hopefully we keep that $70,000 mark or 73. We're getting close to 70,000. The all-time high for previous cycle was around 69,000. So hopefully we can just keep this area and we end Q1 strong. We got a month and a half of Q1, and hopefully we can maybe get some crypto legislation, and that'll pump up the market. But right now, it's not looking too good. Okay, let me put my batteries running out. Let me charge this. Okay, let's play a few games of Blitz, and then I gotta go. Maybe not even a few, couple, because I already played 2 earlier. But yeah. So I got to do some stuff. All right, let's see. Darn it. Did I lose this? I think I did. Man. I gotta figure a way out of this. Um, hmm. Yeah, I'm just using a lot of time this game. Unfortunately. Um, Darn it. Not playing too good here. Not playing too good. Sheesh. And he got me with that. All right, I'm going to have to resign. Let's see if he wants to run it back. Let's see. All right, he does. All right, let's get this W. Stop playing around. Let's stop playing. Boom. Okay. Gain some space. Let's take that out, but he's probably gonna go there. I wonder, maybe I gotta do this. Yeah, maybe I should have taken that. I was thinking about taking that pawn. All right, let's castle. Can't do anything else right now. I think I've blundered that. I messed that up. Stupid mic. Let's do this. Do this. Do this. Do that. Let's do that. I wasn't even paying attention to that. Sheesh. I think he's going to sacrifice this. So I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, he's going to sacrifice that, and then he's going to do that. So, he's going to do that. All right, let's go here. Move. I got to move quicker, man. It is not looking good right now. He got time. He got a whole bunch of time. That. Do that. Let's see. Oh Lord. Let's do this. Hey, what's up, Nessie? What's up? What's up? I don't know what to do here, man. All right. I think right here is okay. You know what? I think I can. Oh, he got me with that one. Okay, that's fine. If he takes that, though. Oof. Let's see what he got. Ooh, I thought he, for some reason, I thought I had him. All right, let's see. Ooh, you know what? I think I got him with this. I didn't even know I was protecting F2. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, darn it. All right, let's do that. Am I gonna get this? Darn it. And that's checkmate. Or it's darn there. Oh, I thought he had it. Darn it. I almost had it. Bought BTC at 74. I'm ready for less than 65. Yeah, it could go less than 65. Hey, did you want to run one? I need this guy's asking to go again, but if you want to run one, I'll run one because I'm gonna end the live stream here pretty soon. Yeah, but BTC crypto is definitely on sale. I'm not sure. I don't know if the crypto bull market is over. I think this year we do have the economic environment for the market to pump. We are getting a lot of liquidity. So again, we did start this cycle very early. A lot of people think we're following the 4-year cycle and the bull market is over and things like that. I don't know. It could be. It could be that could be the case, but I think there's just a lot of institutional people buying up BTC. So 2026 could surprise people. I think, especially if we get that Clarity Act. I think it could be something. I can't making food. Okay, no worries, no worries. But yeah, I think 2026, depending on how Q1 goes, is pretty much how the year is gonna. I think the year is gonna end. Like if we can end Q1 pretty good, and then maybe go into Q2 and get that Clarity Act, because remember this is midterm. Midterms are in November, so they want the market to look as good as possible so people can vote for them, right? The administration. So I think they're going to go do as much as they can to make the market look good. And I honestly, altcoins have been destroyed. So I feel like they need some type of relief rally at some point. I don't think it's just going to be down only this year. A lot of people are actually predicting this year to be, like a super cycle year. But who knows? It could go either way. I think we just got to wait for Q1 and Q2 to be over with, in my opinion. But yeah. That's pretty much it. I will be going live Sunday, so that's the next time I'll go live. So catch me then. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the market. We just need to see what happens with interest rates, liquidity, Clarity Act, and all those things to play out, so we can see how this year is going to end. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.